Hey there, YouTube. This is my U.S General toolbox. Got it for $100. Harbor Freight. These are my Harbor Freight impact sockets. My regular 3/8 sockets. My quarter drive standard. My chargers. My screwdrivers. Extra battery, tape measure. Extra thing for my power cords, extensions, my little swivel, safety glasses, spark plugs, 1/2-inch extensions, spark plug sockets, my bad. These are my miscellaneous bit drawers and power tool supplies. I got sandpaper, extra bits, an impact driver thing, my bit sets, more bits. I got some pens, my Leatherman, more bits, some knives, and that bit set, got that for Christmas one year. This is my wrench drawer and my ratchets and pry bars. These are my Snap-on Flank Drive Plus ratcheting wrenches, 10 to 19 millimeter. These are just some other wrenches. I got some standard Craftsman wrenches, my metric stubbies, another little pry bar. I got Snap-on pry bars. I got my 3/8 drive Snap-on ratchet. I got my short non-flex head 3/8 drive Snap-on ratchet. I got my quarter drive Snap-on ratchet and my 1/2-inch drive Snap-on ratchet. If you guys want to buy any of these tools, the part number will be under the video. I got my pliers, vice grips, snips, wire cutters, pliers, needle noses, smaller needle noses, square channel locks, bigger channel locks, my striker. And that's it for that drawer. Onto my power tool drawer. I got my 1/2-inch drive impact, my 3/8 drive impact. This thing is worth every penny. My 3/8 drive, got it on sale. This, my drill, and this thing to charge your phone, and this flashlight. It was like a $250 value, all this stuff over here, for $169 at Home Depot. I got these 18-volt drills from my father when he upgraded to the 20-volt, a sander, and my 3/8 old air impact. My 1/2-inch drive one is out of the shop. And down here I just got some boxes, water bottles, a bag, the box for my impact. These are what my Snap-on screwdrivers came in. Pulleys from my truck. That's it, YouTube. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a nice day.